Hey guys, so I'm taking my NYX HD concealer and I'm setting my eyes, priming them for eyeshadow, and then I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette, taking this white shade and just setting the concealer. Then I'm going to my Anastasia palette into the shade Dawn, and I'm just putting this all over my crease. You don't have to be precise about this at all, it's just going to be a transition color. Then going back into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this really light blue, and I'm just putting this right into the crease, not as all over the crease as the shade Dawn, and I'm using a more tapered brush, and then I'm blending it out. Then I'm taking this darker blue, and I'm using a Morphe brush, that's a tapered brush, so I can get more a preciseness, and just focusing that in the crease. And then I'm going into this dark navy blue shade with a more precise tapered brush, and I'm focusing this more on the outer part of my eye, but also bringing it into the crease. And then I'm taking this black shade and focusing this really on the outer part of my eye, and then I'm just blending into the crease just a little bit. Then I'm taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm just making the half cut crease. You can use a white concealer, I just don't have a white concealer, so I'm just using this, and it worked really good. I'm just cutting half of my crease to create the half cut crease with. And then I'm going back into the lightest shade of blue and just blending it so there's no harsh lines between the concealer and the outer part of my eye, and just going back into the navy blue shade and making the outer part of my eye a little bit darker. And then I'm going back into the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and just brightening up that. Then going back into the black and darkening up the outer crease. Then I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Supershock shadow in Tassel, and I'm putting this where I put that white concealer at, just to brighten it up, and I really liked how this looked. And then I put on these Rouge and Rogue eyelashes in the style Noirella. And then I'm going into my WetNWild Photo Focus foundation and just putting that on. My NYX HD concealer, and I'm just highlighting under my eyes, and then I also highlighted just right in between my eyebrows, down my nose, and my chin. Now I'm going into this Maybelline Fit Me loose face powder, and I'm using my beauty blender to put this all over my face. You can use a powder brush, but I really liked how the finish was when using a beauty blender, and this is just the Real Techniques makeup sponge that I'm using. Okay, so I'm going into this Toofaced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer and using this IT Cosmetics brush to apply it. taking this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, and it's in the shade Party. It was part of Sephora's birthday thing last year, and I'm taking this on a Luxie 514 blush brush. And then I'm taking my Melt Cosmetics highlighter in Stargazer and just highlighting my face with that. And I just finished up my eyes, and then I went in with the Revlon Colorstay lip liner in Nude and just lining my lips with that. And then I went in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo and just applying that. And that finishes up this Blue Half Cut Crease. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.